Welcome back to my channel Maths Made Easy with AB. So this is the second part of the video of coordinate geometry. In the previous video we had seen distance formula. So what was distance formula? D is equal to root over difference x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, whatever capital or whatever small you write. So difference in between the coordinates of x and the difference in between the coordinates of y whole square divided square root of that entire part. So this was the distance formula. We had seen the proof. If you have not seen that video, do watch that video first and then you can come back to this video. Students, so now one question I am giving, we will start with the first question, which is determine if the points, so you can write down the question, hopefully you are noting it in your notebook. What is, determine if the points 1, 5, determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 11, minus 2, minus 11 are collinear. What is the meaning of collinear? Collinear means whether the point lies on the same straight line. So if I draw a straight line, these three should lie on the same line. It will not be like this. So it cannot be like this broken. So it should be a straight line and the point should be on the same line. So students, how can you prove that 3 points are on the same line? So understand why so you have to be very clear with this. So can I frame a question which can prove that 1, 5 and 2, 3 are collinear? So students, 2 points will always be collinear, right? If I have 2 points, I join it, that is a collinear line. So 2 points will always be collinear. So for collinear question, you will have at least 3 or more than 3 lines, 3 points. Yeah, I think this much is clear to you all. So for a question to be collinear, to prove that it's collinear, you have to have 2 or you have to have 3 or more than 3 points. So now, how can you prove that these are collinear, students? If this is collinear, student, what will happen? Say this is A, B, C, correct? So this sum plus this sum, correct, should be equal to the entire sum. This sum plus this sum, so sum of 2 points will be the sum of the third point. If I can say, for example, this is 2, this is 3, this is 5. So if I say that AB is equal to 2, BC is equal to 3 and I find the distance AC which comes out to be 5, I can say that these are collinear. If AC turns out to be 6, then this will not be collinear, correct? Then possibly this will something be like this. So this is 2, this is 3 and this is 6, correct? If these are straight line, if this is a straight line, then only it will be 5. So I can easily do that. I need to just calculate the distance of these two. So I need to find the distance this and this. I need to find the distance this and this. And then I need to see the distance this and this. That's it. And I need to see whether any of the two sum is equal to the third. I don't know which is A, which is B, which is C. Correct? It can be in any order. So simple. Let me assume this point is A, this point is B, this point is C. Clear? This point is A, this point is B, this point is C. So what is AB, students? What is the distance AB? So AB is basically 2 minus 1, so that is 1 whole square, plus 3 minus 5, that is 2, that is 2 square, correct? So this is minus 2 square, I am not writing that. So basically it is coming out to be root 5. AB is coming out to be root 5. What is BC, students? Let's find it out. BC. So minus 2 whole square, that is minus 2 is minus 4. So this is 16. Minus 11 minus 3 is how much, students? Minus 11 minus 3 is minus 14. Correct? So should I write it or I should avoid it? Correct, students? I think you are getting this part. Yeah. Minus 11 minus 3 is minus 14, right? Minus 14. 14 whole square is 196. So basically we have 196 plus 16, which gives me how much? This is root over 212. Root over 212. Yeah. Correct, students? I think till here it is very much clear to you all. It can also be written as 2 root 53, I think, 2 root 53. Now students, let us find what is AC. What is AC? So AC is basically minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So this is 9 plus minus 11 minus 5 students. Minus 11 minus 5 is minus 16. And what is 16 square? 256. Correct students? 256 square is 259. That's it. Root 259. Students, clearly nothing matches. Nothing matches. Then which proves that these lines are not collinear. These lines are not collinear. A, B, C are not collinear. Say for example, let me just go other way around. Say for example, AB would have come out to be 7. BC had come out to be 14 and this was 21. Say suppose it comes out like this. In this problem, it is not like that. Okay, this is a NCERT question. It is there in the book. 7, 14, 21. If that would have been like this, then we would have easily proved, yeah, this is collinear because sum of 2 is sum of the third. Correct? Students, I think till here it is clear to you all. Let us now look into the next question. Let us now look into the second question. The second question says that there are 4 points given, students. There are 4 points given. A, which is 3, 4. A is 3, 4. B is 6, 7. C is 9, 4. And D is 6, 1. So they are asking whether A, B, C, D is a square. So the question is A, B, C, D, is this a square? Correct students? So for a square, what has to happen? All sides needs to be equal. So first we need to check that. For a square, all sides need to be equal. So you need to check this. So 3, so AB, you need to find the distance BC, CD and AD. So what is AB students? What is AB? AB distance is 6 minus 3, so root over 6 minus 3 is 3, so 9 plus 7 minus 3 is 7 minus 4 is how much? 3. So this is 9. Correct? 7 minus 4 is 3. 6 minus 3 is 6. So this is 2 root. Just a second. This is root 18. Root 18. Correct? So this is how much? 9 into 2, 3 root 2. AB is 3 root 2. Correct? What is BC? What is BC? BC is 9 minus 6, again 9. 4 minus 7, 3, 9. So this is again 3 root 2. What is CD students? What is CD? So CD is 9 minus 6, that is 9 again. 4 minus 1, 3, 9 again. 3 root 2. Nice. Looks like it will become a square. Looks like it will become a square. I haven't commented on that anything. AD. What is AD? 6 minus 3, 9. 1 minus 4, amazing, 9, 3 root 2. Is it a square? Can I say it to be a square? No, I cannot comment. All the sides have become equal, but ABCD is a square or not, I don't know. It can be a rhombus also. It can be a rhombus also. For a rhombus also, all sides are equal. So how do I prove it? How do I prove it? So these sides have become 3 root 2, 3 root 2, 3 root 2, 3 root 2. Understand students, the diagonals AC and BD for rhombus are not equal. In case of rhombus, the diagonals are not equal, but in case of square, the diagonals are equal. So let's evaluate. What is AC? What is AC? AC. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3, 36. That is 6, right? 36, 36. Plus 4 minus 4, gone. So this is 6. What is BD? What is BD? 6 minus 6, 0. 7 minus 1, 6. 36, 6. AC is equal to BD. Diagonals. These are diagonals. Diagonals equal, sides equal. Hence proof that ABCD is a square. Students, I hope this question was very much clear to you all. I hope this question was clear to you all. Let's move on to the third problem. Third, right? Yeah, students, if you are liking the video, understanding the problems, do subscribe to my channel, do share it in your circle, do share it with your friends. If it's an exam time, do share it with them so that they can also find it simple to solve. Yeah, so next question is, find the point on x-axis. Find a point on x-axis. Find a point on x-axis which is equidistant from the point 2, comma minus 5. Which is equidistant from the point 2, comma minus 5 and minus 2, comma 9. Correct? Find a point on x-axis. Correct, students? Now let me draw it. Let me draw and see what's happening. Drawing makes problem simpler. X, Y. 2, comma minus 5, students. Where will be 2, comma minus 5? 2, comma minus 5 will be somewhere here. So this is minus 5. This is 2. So this point is 2, comma minus 5. Minus 2, comma 9. Wow, simple. Minus 2, comma 9 will be somewhere here. Minus 2, comma 9. Correct? If I join these 2 points, basically this is the line. So you have to find something on the x-axis. You have to find something on the x-axis which is equidistant from both these points. So the point will be somewhere this side. You are getting it or not? Can the point be this side? Yeah, this point can be this side also. This point can be this side also. Or what do you think? Can this point be this side? No, right? This, if you see the slant like this, can this, because this part will give you more. So by this diagram, say for example, in the 4 options, you see so it's the point on x-axis. So basically the coordinate will be x, comma 0, which is minus x, comma 0. Correct? So it will be negative. So minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, whatever be the answer. So for example, in the option you see 2, comma 0, 13, comma 0, minus 6, comma 0, so minus 7, comma 0, 8, comma 0. These are the options, say for example. By the diagram, you know what is the answer. The answer is minus 7, comma 0. You tick it, no need to solve. So simply by the diagram, you understood what will be the answer, because that point has to lie on the negative side of the x-axis. By the diagram, you can understand the students. So this is that simple, and this is why I told you why drawing a diagram is very important. Yeah, students. So let us see, how do I solve it? So simply the point needs to be minus x, comma 0. So basically you have this point, minus x, comma 0. So, or just write it x, comma 0, x will be negative. Yeah. So the point will be, what will be the distance a? So this is a, this is b. I am now erasing this diagram. This diagram is no longer needed. We have understood what this means. Just for making you understand, I drew this. So at the point, my point is x, comma 0. So this distance and this distance we need to find and equate. So this is x minus 2 whole square plus 25 equals x plus 2 whole square plus 81. Correct, students? I think till here it is very much clear to you all. Yeah. So this is x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 25 equals x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 81. 4, correct? X square cancelled. X square cancelled, students. 8x equals, so this 4x gone this side. This is 25 plus 4 minus 81 minus 4. So this 4 would have been cancelled. So let's not write it over here. So 8x equals, this is 6 and this is 6 and this 7 raised to 5. Minus 56. X is minus 7. The value of x is minus 7. So the point is minus 7, comma 0. That's the answer for this question. So minus 7, 0 is the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from the point A, 2, comma minus 5, and the point B, which is minus 2, comma 9. Correct, students? So this is very clear to you all. This is also a question taken from NCERT. NCERT, all questions are very technical. Very good book to start your basics, and then you can move on to R.D. Sharma and all, and then ADG, Siddharth Gupta, all sorts of books you can solve. Next question, students, I will not go on and solve for you, but I will show you how do you approach. Find the relation between x and y. So you need to find the relation between x and y. Okay, you need to find the relation between x and y, which is equidistant from the point 3 comma c 6. So basically, such that the point, find the relation between x and y such that the point x comma y, such that the point x comma y is equidistant from the point, this point is equidistant from the point 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. Very simple question, students. So basically they are saying that this distance will be equal to this distance. That's the equation. So simply x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square equals x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. That's it. Square both sides, so you get what? X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square equals x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. That's it, student. Need to solve it. X square, y square will all get cancelled from both sides. You will get the answer 3x plus y is equal to 5. 3x plus y plus 5 equals 0. This will be the relation between x and y, and this will be the answer of the question. This was a very easy question, but this had already come several times in your board examination. So from board point of view, you need to be thorough with this question. You need to understand what it is. Right, students? So let me go to the last question. There are not many questions that can be framed using distance formula, but yeah, as we progress and we try to pitch in, so we will learn section formula. Okay, we will learn equation of a line, and then we will understand area of a triangle, and then we will try to merge. Means we need to swipe, we need to add both the concepts and then frame a question. So we will do that, and then you will understand. So we will have that session also. In the next session, students, you will be basically understanding the section formula. So a point cuts 2 points internally, externally, what will be the value. So you need to wait for that that video. That will also come after this video. So the next question is, students, if a point Q 0 comma 1, if a point Q 0 comma 1 is equidistant from the point P, it is given that the point Q is equidistant from P, which is 5 comma minus 3, and R which is x comma 6. Find the value of x. Very simple again. So it is said that PQ is equal to QR. Already said. Very simple. What is this? So simple. 5 minus 0 is 25. Minus 3 minus 1 is 4. 16. Correct, students? Equals root over x minus 0 x square plus, this is 6 minus 1, 25. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. 25 plus 16 is equal to x square plus 25. 25 cancel. X is equal to plus minus 4. X is equal to plus minus 4, students. Understand this. So you get x as plus 4, x can be minus 4 also. It is very simple and very evident from this part. So you get the values of x. Now there has been asked to find the distance QR and PR. Distance QR and PR. Distance QR and PR. Correct? So you can find that easily using distance formula. So this was a very simple question that has been given. You need to understand this plus minus 4 also. So you need to do some research, but maybe if you are till class 10, you need to be till here. There are some other questions also you need to solve for coordinate geometry. Yeah, go through those questions. If you have liked the video, do subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries, students, do write in the comment section. In the next video, we will be coming up with, we will be seeing, so I'll just give you a sketch. So basically in the next, say for example, you have a point A, you have a point B. Point A is x1 comma y1, point B is x2 comma y2, and say point C cuts it in the ratio of 1, say for example, the ratio is R1, R2. So 2:3, 2:4, or whatever, 1:to lambda. So we will see in the next video. R1 is to R2. You need to find the coordinate of point C. So we'll see the formula. So this is cutting internally. If the point C cuts this point externally, what will be a point R cuts AB externally, then what will be the ratio and all? What will be the coordinate of point R? So this is the section formula. So in the next video, we will be seeing section formula. Internal, external. Then we will be seeing straight line. We will be seeing applications. So when it qualifies for a rhombus, when it qualifies for a quadrilateral, parallelogram. So we'll be seeing that also. Yeah, students, I think we can stop the video over here. For any doubt, go to the comment section. Thank you for your time.